Hi, I'm Roger Dammer, and this is my 1979 Corvette. It has an L82 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. And it also has side pipes that were not original to this year, but I love them.
The 69.
And
That's side pipes.
it was manufactured in December of 1978. And there was 4,500 and something manufactured in this color brown. My wife named her Miss Kitty because she said she's pretty and sassy. And Miss Kitty is the woman that owns the saloon in Gunsmoke. My wife names all of our cars.
And are you local here too?
I live in New Jersey,
Okay.
southern New Jersey, suburb of Philadelphia.
And you're just up here for the...
Just up here for the weekend.
Awesome.